Hi, we are going to talk about SUMX plus filter function. Last time we learned SUMX function. Now we will learn how to use filter function with SUMX. You see this, we have this table and product category, quantity, unit price, and region. We choose table visual, and this is table visual. You can choose this one, and we add our data to it. Let me show our data. Just a minute. Okay. Product, category, and quantity, region, and unit price, region. Let me make it bigger. Okay. You see, we have this table. Now, imagine we want to create electronic sales calculation, only electronic, not furniture. We choose new measure, and we will use SUMX again. Put name electronic sales. We will use SUMX function equal SUMX. Table will be first our expression filter. We will filter table, sales table. We need category, should be electronics. Yes. Category equal electronics. Now we can write SUMX second parameter, quantity sold, quantity multiply unit price. If you don't know what SUMX do, please watch our previous video about SUMX. Okay, now it's ready. We choose cart visual. Yeah, it is 3,500, for example, dollars. How it calculates, you see, in total electronic sales, it gives same number: 100, 800, 200, 50, 300. In total, it is $3,500. Thank you.